In this sum, let x be a number we need to find out. And they have given thrice a number. So that means thrice a number means it is 3 times x is increased by 5. Increased by means it is added with 5 is equals to 5 times the same number. The number is x and decreased by 11. So this is what is going to be your equation. So from here, if 5x goes to the other side, it would be 3x minus 5x. And this 5 goes to the other side, it would be minus 11 minus 5. So 3x minus 5x is minus 2x. And minus 11 minus 5 is minus 16. So that is x equals to minus 16 over minus 2, which is positive 8. Option D is the answer.